Hey kids, get ready to dive into the exciting world of clothes. Today, we're not just talking about wearing them, although that's super important too. We're going on an adventure to discover why they're so amazing and how we can use them in clever ways. What do clothes do for us? Think about it. At the last. What's your favorite way to use clothes? Can you think of any other clever ways to use clothes? Let's explore the wonderful world of clothes together. We all wear clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. Clothes make us look smart. The way people dress depends upon their environment. Different types of clothes are worn in different seasons. Clothes are made of cotton, wool, silk, and other materials. Cotton. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Cotton is made into thread. The thread is woven into cloth. Cloth is used to make different types of clothes. Cotton clothes are worn mostly in summer. Shirt. Salwar. Blouse. It is so cold, woolen clothes will keep us warm. We get wool from sheep. Cap. Sweater. Silk. Silk has a smooth, soft texture. We get silk from the silkworm. Silkworms live on the mulberry tree. Silk saree. Silk thread. Bedsheet. Bag. Towel. Curtain. Sometimes the clothes which people wear tell us about the work they do. People working in banks and offices often wear light-colored clothes. Motor mechanics use dark-colored clothes while working so that the dirt does not show on their clothes. People working in the police, army, navy, and hospitals wear different uniforms. Children also wear uniforms to school. People working in fields use short clothes. These clothes reach only up to their knees. Long clothes will get wet in the rice fields. Washing time. Take care of your clothes. To keep clothes clean, soak them in soapy water for some time. Then wash them with clean water. Do not wash them roughly. Dry white clothes in the sun and colored clothes in the shade. Mend and stitch your clothes if torn.